water is right there. The water came all the way up to that slab during the storm. Yeah, we got the mangroves. Rain still. Rain. I got bricks lined up down there. Back in those mangroves. The raccoons come out at night and they're playing around. They try to come up the stairs. And what happens is, when they come up here, they try to get over these bricks and they'll fall down and hit the ground and they'll just go running. Sometimes I bang on the railing too and bark like a dog. That scares them away. But believe it or not, just having those bricks there will keep the raccoons from coming up here instead of having a big fence down there, you know. I thought I was going to have to put a door down here or something. That works just fine. Oh well. I want to get the shutters down, but it's raining right now. Man. Rain. This Eta storm started way down in the Caribbean, went into Nicaragua, Guatemala, came up out of Central America, went through Cuba, came up into the Keys, left the Keys and went back down towards Cuba, and now is heading towards New Orleans. This storm is persistent, and it's long, and it just keeps dumping rain wherever it goes and causing, you know, minor wind damage, but mostly rain. But I can't believe how long it's been. I mean, it started way back, I'm going to say 2 weeks ago at least. At least. I got to look at the history. One of the longest lasting storms ever, I'd have to say, especially for this time of year. I mean, for it to start way down there and keep going and keep going and keep going, this thing's got a, I mean, really, unbelievable. Anyhow, we are stuck in the house, and it is Tuesday the 10th. I'm sorry, man. You can't go outside. Don't look at me like that. You will not find this frog lamp anywhere. Nowhere. You won't find a frog lamp like that. Impossible. Impossible. One of a kind item. I put this little thing underneath it, and I put a little ribbon around it. All right. Anyway, we're out of here.